Beethoven, Mozart, Bach, Brahms have all
heroes
died.
of ours, aren't they?
Really? What?
They're wonderful people.
Are they?
Oh, yes, they really turn us on.
But they did.
Well, suppose they turn other people on.
That's just their tough shit.
It's what?
Nothing. Rude word. Next question.
No. What was the rude word?
Shit.
Was it really?
Oh,
Good heavens, you frightened me to death.
Yes.
What about you girls behind?
He's like your dad, isn't he, this geezer?
Are you,
Your granddad.
Are you worried or just enjoying yourself?
Enjoying myself.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I thought you were doing.
Yeah, I always wanted to meet you.
Did you really? We'll meet after, shall we?
You dirty sod. Can you believe it? Dirty old man.
Well, keep going, Chief. Keep going. Go on. You got another 5 seconds. Say something outrageous.
You dirty bastard.
Go on, again.
You dirty fucker.
What a clever...
What a fucking rotter.
Well, that's it for tonight. I'll be seeing you soon. I hope I won't be seeing you again. From me, though, good night.